Hi students, today we are going to discuss about polynomials and factorization, 9th class 2nd chapter, exercise 2.5, 7th bit. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. First question, 99 whole cube. Solution, 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 equal 99. 100 minus 1 whole cube, comparing with identity x minus y whole cube equal x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. We find that x equal 100, y equal 1. 100 minus 1 whole cube equal x cube, 100 whole cube minus y cube, 1 cube minus 3 into x, 100 into y, 1 into x, 100 minus y, 1 equal 100 whole cube, 10 lakhs minus 1 cube, 1 minus 3 into 100, 300. 300 into 1, 300. 100 minus 1, 99. Equal 10 lakhs minus 1 minus 300 into 99. 9 3 ja 27 into 9 3 ja 27. 7 9 2 end up the 2 zeros. 29,700 equal 10 lakhs minus 1 minus 29,700 equal 29,701 equal 10 lakhs minus 29,701 by 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 2 7, 9. 9 lakhs 70,299. Second question, 102 whole cube. Solution, 102 can be written as 100 plus 2 whole cube. Comparing with identity x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. We find that x equal 100, y equal 2. 100 plus 2 whole cube equal to x cube, 100 cube plus y cube, 2 cube plus 3 into x, 100 into y, 2 into x, 100 plus y, 2 equal 100 cube, 10 lakhs plus 2 cube, 8 plus 3 into 100, 300. 300 2 ja 600 into 100 plus 2, 102 equal 10 lakhs plus 8 plus 600 into 102. 2 0 ja 0, 2 0 ja 0, 2 6 ja 12. 0 0 0. 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 6 6. 0 0 2 1 6. 61,200 equal 10 lakhs plus 8 plus 61,200 equal 61,208 equal 10 lakhs 61,208. 8th bit, factorize each of the following. First question, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Solution, 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b equal a plus b whole cube. This is formula. Plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Common factor 6ab into 2a plus b. 2a whole cube plus b cube plus 3 into 2a. 3 2 6 a 6a into b into 2a plus b. We find that a equal 2a, b equal b equal a 2a plus b whole cube. Second question, 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Solution, 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube minus b cube minus a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b equal a minus b whole cube. This is formula. A square b plus 6ab square. Common factor 6ab into 2a minus b. 2a whole cube minus b cube minus 3 into 2a. 3 into 2a 6a into b into 2a minus b. We find that a equal 2a, b equal b equal a 2a minus b whole cube. 8th bit, verify first question, x cube plus y cube equal x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Using some non-zero positive integers and check by actual multiplication. Solution, x cube plus y cube equal x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Using some non-zero positive integers, take x equal y equal to 1. LHS equal x cube plus y cube equal x cube 2 whole cube plus y cube 1 cube equal 2 cube 8 plus 1 cube 1 equal 8 plus 1 9. RHS equal x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square equal x 2 plus y 1 into x square 2 square minus x 2 into y 1 plus y square 1 square equal 2 plus 1 3 into 2 square 4 minus 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 square 1 equal 3 into 4 minus 2 2 plus 1 equal 3 into 3 2 plus 1 3 equal 3 3 ja 9. Therefore LHS equal RHS. Tenth bit, factorize. First question, 27a cube plus 64b cube. Solution, 27a cube can be written as 3a whole cube plus 64b cube can be written as 4b whole cube. Therefore, x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square equal x cube plus y cube. This is form. X cube plus y cube, the product of these two polynomials. This is called factorization. We find that x equal 3a, y equal 4b. X 3a plus y 4b into x square 3a whole square minus x 3a into y 4b plus y square 4b whole square equal 3a plus 4b into 3a whole square 9a square minus 3 4 ja 12 a into b ab plus 4b whole square 16b square. Second question, 343y cube minus 1000. Solution, 343y cube can be written as 7y whole cube minus 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Therefore, x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square equal x cube minus y cube. This is form. X cube minus y cube, the product of these two polynomials. It is called factorization. We find that x equal 7y. Y equal 10. X 7y minus y 10 into x square 7y whole square plus x 7y into y 10 plus y square 10 square equal 7y minus 10 into 7y whole square 49y square plus 7 10 70 into y